Sergeant Grimm could have used a little help from the boys on Queer Eye.
Doubt that rug would have made the cut.
Actually, this was the only thing I kind of liked.
I'll add that to the list of reasons I never want to see your apartment.
Nothing in the bedroom, what's with the computer?
No desktop, no operating system.
Maybe it's busted.
Or maybe somebody reformatted the hard drive.
We can rebuild it. We have the technology. Hello? Steve Austin, $6 million man. See, that's the problem with the world today. No respect for history.
Can we just concentrate on the present?
Kate was right. The hard drive was completely reformatted.
So we have nothing.
Actually, no. When you write data onto a hard drive, it's triggered electronically and magnetically.